तो समझते को गुड मॉर्निंग। The term communications. Data communication with three types of signal: digital signal, analog signal, hybrid signal. Computer data connection. Whenever we talk about communication between two computing devices using network, five most important aspects. Some are to mind. These are sender, receiver, communication medium. The message to be communicated in certain rules called protocol to be followed during communication media is also called transmission media. Five components of data communication are sender, receiver, message, communication, protocol. The sender, it is a computer or any such device which is capable of sending data over a network. It can be computer, mobile phone, smartwatch, walkie-talkie, video recording, ଆଉ device. That is sender. The receiver hoji, it is a computer any such device which is capable for receiving data from the network. It can be any computer, printer, laptop, mobile phone, television, etc. It is the receiver. The central receiver known as the nodes network. Messages. It is the data information that needs to exchange between the sender and the receiver. A message can be in the form text, number, image, number, image, audio, video, multimedia, etc. The communication media, it is the path through which the message travels between source and destination. It is also called medium or link, which the other wireless. Protocol, it is the rules need to be followed by the communication prioritize order to have successful and reliable data communication. The characteristic data communication delivery. The data most delivered from the source device the correct destination in the right order. Accuracy. The data most delivered error-free, except inaccuracy during transmission. Data should be limited timeline. And the data most delivered during the specific period that like delivery data communication useless. Communicate channel. The communication channel refers to the direction of signal flow between two linked devices. There are mainly three types of communication channel which are follows. Hello, hi. The simplex channel. In the channel, hello, hi. In this channel, the flow data is always one of the direction with no capability to support response in other direction. This communication is unidirectional only. Only the communication direct transmission information, other only receive it radio, television, keyboard. Half duplex channel hoji. In this channel, the data can flow both direction but not the same time. When the one device transmits information to only receive that point is the walkie-talkie. The full duplex, half duplex, simplex. Hi. The full duplex channel hochi. In this channel, the flow data is both direction. At the time we information stimulation wireless standard mobile phone ne thai. Yes, thank you. Communication media. Communication media of network refers to the transmission media or the connecting. I'm just read some computer notes. Communication media of network refers to the transmission. Thank you, Ji. Communication media of a network refers to the transmission media or connecting media used in the network. It can be broadly defined as anything that can carry information from a source to the destination. Okay, thank you, bhai. Thank you. Yes. Thank you. अब कहाँ से हो? It refers to the physical media through the which communication signals can transmitted communication media that transmitted हवा from the one point to another. Transmitted media can be delivered in two board and categories. Guide media were technologies. The data signals is guide media is bound by the climbing system that carries data signals along a specific path. Oh, Hyderabad. It consists of a cable composed of metal like copper, time, awodoji, silver. I'm from Odisha se. Basically, they are divided into three categories. Ethane cable, twister pair cable. In this cable, wires twisted together which are surrounded by an insulating materials and outer layer called jacket. One of the wires is outer layer called jacket. One of wire is used to carry signals to the receiver and the other only as a ground reference. In local area networks use twist pair cable, the coaxial cable. It carries that signals of higher frequency data through the network. It has a signals inner conductor that transmits electric signals, and the outer conduct acts as a ground and is wrapped in sheet of reflection on PVC. Coaxial cable is commonly used in transmitting multi-channel television signal in sites cable TV networks. The cable TV networks dielectric braid, copper conductor, PVC and କ'ଣ ନା PVC ହେଇଥାଏ। ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ହେଉଛି fiber optic cable. Fiber optic cable ହେଉଛି it is made of glass or plastic, transmits signals to form light from a source that once in and another. Optical fibers allow transmission over longer distance and higher bandwidth, which is not affected electromagnetic field. The speed of optical fiber 100 times faster than coaxial cables. So data communication and networking, code protective coating cladding. So the fiber optic cable, Tamil Nadu, the Indian state decided to implement Bharat Net service which will connect village panchayats through the optical fiber. Tamil product ଆସିଥାଏ जोटा Unified Media or wireless technologies. So who is this guy? Thank you. It is the transfer of information over a distance without use enhanced electrical conductor. Whereas when the computer in the network are interconnected and data is transmitted through the waves, they have said to be connected through unguided media. Some commonly used unguided media transmission as follows: radio wave transmission. When two terminals communicate by using radio frequency, then such type of communication is known as radio wave transmission. This transmission is also known as radio frequency RF. The frequency range from 3G 1GHz. These are omnidirectional radio wave, practically those waves that program sky mode can travel distance. The microwave transmission. Microwave are electromagnetic waves having frequencies range 0.3 to 3 GHz. The microwaves are on directional. The microwave is on directional. It is used to the secular network and broadcasting. Television broadcasting. Infrawave and transmission. Infrawaves are the high frequency wave used for short range communication. The frequencies range from 3Z 400 THz. These waves cannot pass through the solid object. This wave is not cannot solid waves. They are mainly used TV, remote, wireless speakers, etc. The satellite communication, the communication across longer distance can be provided by combining radio frequency satellite. Transmission with satellite. It works longer distance and allows to fast communication. It is used communication ship, vehicle, planes, handheld terminals रे use होता है. The net Bluetooth. It is a short-range wireless communication technology that allows devices such as mobile phones, computer, peripherals transmits data, voice wireless and the short distance. तो सेमिति कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क होची तो कंप्यूटर network it is a collection of two or more computers which are connected together, share information and resources. Computer network is a combination hardware and software that allows communication between computer over networks. ARPANET stands for Advanced Research Project Agency Network. It is the first network development by VNet 1969. 19 हाँ कौन भाई हाँ कोडू चेष्टा कर तो सम इशू benefits of computer network. Some of the benefits of computer network are discussed below. File sharing. Networking computer helps the user to share data and files. The hardware sharing. Users can share devices such as printers, scanner, CD-ROM, drives, hard drives in computer network. So application sharing. Application can be shared over the network and it allows implementation identity server application. The user communication. This allows user to communicate using email, news groups, video references within the network. Type of computer network. Computer networks broadly displays various type of which are follows. The local area network LAN. Local area network. LAN is a small and single-site network. LAN is a small and single-site network. It connects network device over a relatively short distance. It is a system in which computers are interconnected in geographical areas such as home, office, building, school, etc. which are Asilu. Whoa. Within a range of 1 kilometer, speed up to 1000 Mbps. On most LAN cable used for connect the computers. LAN is used for connector totally 1 kilometer distance about 1000 Mbps. The LAN means local area network. LAN are typically owned, controlled by the managed by a single person organization. They also certain specific connectivity. The technology primarily either term-based LAN provides sharing or very efficient way. वाइड एरिया नेटवर्क WAN वाइड तो WAN हूँ कौन ना वाइल्ड एरिया नेटवर्क वाइल्ड एरिया तो वाइल्ड एरिया नेटवर्क one geographically disappeared collection of lands a one like the internet spans most of the world a network device called router connects LAN 1 its speed up to say 50 mbps say 50 mbps so just wait I will come back within 2 minutes okay goodbye bye within like internet device one LAN local area network one होची wide area network तो 50 mbps like internet most ones a network owned by any organization but rather exists under collection distributed ownership and managed one technology ATM frame x2 point connectivity metropolitan area network metropolitan area network man metropolitan area network man तो multipolitan area network it is the data network designed for two or city it connects area longer the LAN but smaller than one man होची sorry connects area larger than LAN but smaller than one तो मझे रहिबो man it is speed up to 100 mbps आड़ा 100 mbps सेटा 150 mbps आड़ा 1000 mbps it main purpose that shares hardware man about one its main purpose is share hardware is software resourced by various users cable TV network is an example of metropolitan area network the computer is a man connected using coaxial cables fiber optic cables the personal area network is PAN PAN refers to small network or communication this used to few limited range which is a reachability and individual person its speed up to 3 mbps total 3 mbps few example PAN Bluetooth wireless USB Z-Wave Zigbee Bluetooth wireless USB personal area network तो एटा PAN रो यूज हबो Bluetooth wireless रे PAN कोन ना PAN रो यूज हबो Bluetooth एयर रे सेमिति सर्वर is an system respond to request a computer network provides a network service can be dedicated computer it one of the most powerful typical computer file server is a type of computer used to network that provides access to file allows to share program data LAN network तो LAN network देखाई था तो computer network device these devices are required to amplify the signal to restore original strength of signal. You provide an interface connect multimedia computer in network. These are many type of computer network device used to networking. Some them are described below. The repeater hochi, it has two parts that can be connected to segment of LAN accomplished signals when they are transcoded over the distance. Signals as strong as the original signal. A repeater both signal original level. Hub. A hub hochi it like a repeater within multiple ports used to connect the network channels. It acts centralized connection to to several to several to add a centralized connection to several computers. With the central computer server, when a hub receive packets data or another ports network channel, it transmits packet to all. It goes all over network channel. So together gateway, it is an interconnecting device which joins different network protocol together. They are also as a protocol controllers. It contains packed format for one protocol, converts the format packed into another protocol. The gateway is node network which serves proxy server, firewall system and on switch. It is the small hardware device data that joins multiple computer within LAN. It helps reduce overall network traffic. The switch forwards a data packet to specific route, establish a temporary connection between the source and destination. There are the vast difference between the switch and hub. A hub forwards incoming packets to all the hub ports while switching favorably each incoming packets to specific router. The bridge is a hardware device, traffic network, boundary, LAN dividing. The traditional bridges support of the one network boundary where a switch is usually offer four hardware ports, which sometimes called multi-port bridges. The modem, it is the device that converts digital signals, analogy signals at the sender end and converts back analogy telephone lines. Modem like placed between telephone line and computer. The network topology. The top topology refers to the way network is laid out either physically or logically. Typological can refer to the geometry. Each computer system in a typological known as node. The most commonly used typological described below. Boss topology. In such that it is such that there is a signal line which all nodes are. It is usually used when network installation is small, simple, and temporary. So in boss topology, all network components are connected with the same signal line. Star topology. In this network type, star topology is the peripheral nodes connected to the central node which has broadcast transmission received from any peripheral node to all nodes across network. A star network we explain placing their star hub. A ring circle topology. This typological used high performance networks where less bandwidth necessary. The protocols used to implement ring typological are taken ring and fiber distribution data interface FDDI. Fiber distribution data interface. A ring typology network transmitted from the taken over a network. Mesh topology, it is also known as completely interconnected topology. In such mesh topology, every node as described point to point link to every other node. Topology. There is network topology which nodes are arranged in a tree. The function central node is the topology may be distributed. It is a basic instruction like inverter where root of every system allows device to attach signal hub. Models of computer networking. There are mainly two models computer networking which as follow: peer-to-peer network. Peer-to-peer network. It is also known as P2 network. It relies computing over edges connection rather than in the network itself. P2P network used for sharing content like audio, video, data, anything digital format. P2P. In P2P connection, couple computer serial universal serial bus USB to transmitter. Every peer-to-peer network is every computer can server and silent server network. The modules of intersection between two application programs, which programs at what end you can from program at the other end server. It is network architecture which separates the client from server. It is capable architecture where the computer wire server others client here client active and server behaves. OSI model. The open system interconnection. OSI open system. The open system interconnection. It is a standard default model for communication between two and users network. In 1983, the International Standard Organization ISO published a document called Basic Reference Model Open System Interconnection, the which models network protocol 7-layer model. OSI layer network for design network system allows the communication between all type of computer system is mainly consist of layer network. Application layer user interface, transferring file information, login, password, checking, pocket filtering. Presentation layer, it works as transmitter layer in encryption description. System layer established maintained to manage all synchronized conversation between two systems. It control logging on of administering. Transport layer, transmission control protocol. It decide to whether transmission it should be parallel or signal path, multiplexing, splitting, or assembling data efficiently. Network layer, routine, the signals divide the outgoing message into packets. Network controller for routing data. The data linker layer, the transitional error detection such as correction, outgoing message into interface. Media access control, physical layer, signals cables operated by repeater, make and break connection, define voltage, data rates, common database, electric transmitter, duplex, all duplex. The OSI. The OSI model physical layer is the lowest layer which the plan to both layer. Computer network addressing. Network addressing are always a logical. These are software awareness address which one of the changed approximately configurations. A network address always points to host mode, nor it can represent the whole network. Network address is always configuring on network interface cards, generally mapped system with MSC address, the machine for layer 2 communication. There are different kinds of network address as IP, IPX, Apple, TOC. The term related to computer network multiplexing. It is a technique used for transmission signals simultaneously for a communication medium. It old signal path multi-channel code divide multiple access CDMA. Its channel access method by using various radio communication technology plus spectrum technology transmitter system and code to allow multimedia users to multiplex over the same physical. The packet switching, it refers to the method digital networking communication that combine all transmitter data requires content type of structure into suitable size block known as packets. The public switch telephone network PSTN. It is designed for a telephone which requires modem data communication. It used for fax machine also. Integrated service digital network. It is used for voice, video, data service. both packet switching Ethernet. It is widely used for technology employing bus technology and Ethernet LAN signal or coaxial called either a 10 Mbps provides as 48 bits token. It is a small message used to pass one station to another. Bandwidth determines the data transfer rate, which is measured by cycle per second (CPS) or HERZ or HERTZ. Throughput, it is the amount of data that is actually transmitted between two computers. It is especially per second, giga per second. GPS, global posting system. GPS is a global navigation satellite system. It provides location, velocity, and time sensation. GPS is everywhere. You can find GPS system in your car, in your smartphone, in your watch. GPS. तो आपर आर क्वेश्चन बैंकटा लगे टोटाली 70टा क्वेश्चन अच्छी 70 क्वेश्चन लगे तो लाइव क्लास को ये एंड करिया। थैंक यू, गुड बाय समस्त को, लव यू ऑल।